Spencer Haynes. I live here in Canadian. I own a plumbing company with my wife and 2 kids, one brand new one. I'm a member on the volunteer fire department, which is what I always wanted to do growing up, and being in a small town like this, that helped make those dreams come true while still being able to do other things that I want. Canadian's such a special place. You know, I've got my roots here. I know everybody here. Everybody knows me. The best way for me to define success is how happy are you? You know, I've got a business that I own. I'm free to do what I want, how I want. I don't have to answer to the man somewhere. We go to visit our family in all their different places, and we have a nice time with them. We love them, but we always get excited when we pull into Canadian and we see that dinosaur sitting up on top of the hill there. We know that we're home. My parents taught me to treat everybody with respect, be good, be kind, work hard, and do the best you can for yourself and your family. I believe if you set your mind to something, set your goals, you know what you want to get out of life, if you put your nose to the grindstone, you're guaranteed to get it.